Hello students, welcome to MDC Learning. Standard is SYBCom, subject is advertising, and topic is chapter number 4, execution and evaluation of advertising. So students, today we will going to learn about elements of copy. Copy. Copy means any copy where uh, copy is nothing but it is a combination of headlines, subheadlines, body copy, captions, slogans, tagline, logo, jingles, signatures. This is the combination. जब ये सबका combination mix होता है तो एक copy बनता है. Now, the first element of copy is main headline. Headline is the starting, or we can say a top line of an advertisement, usually printed in bold and large type size. Everybody must have seen it. It's very common कि आप कोई भी ad देखते हो तो एकदम bold writing में ऊपर जो लिखा हुआ रहता है, that is main headline. The prime function of this headline is to gain immediate attention. राइट हेडलाइन क्यों देते हैं? ताकि लोगों का इंस्टेंट अटेंशन जो है वो जाए. Second one, that is sub headlines. At times some sub ads have more than one headlines. Of these, one is usually the main headline and the other one is sub headline. मतलब एक जो है वो एकदम main headline होता है और वही headline के नीचे एक थोड़े छोटे साइज में लेकिन बोल्ड राइटिंग में और भी कुछ लिखा हुआ रहता है, that is sub headline. Number 3, that is body copy. Now it refers to text of advertising message. जो हेडलाइन के अंदर का जो भी मैसेज जो है वो पूरे लिखी हुई इन्फॉर्मेशन है, दैट इज इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, फीचर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, merits, demerits, or whatever, benefits of product, whatever. It is through effective copywriting. The audience can be converted into prospects and prospects into customers. Right. It is to be noted that nowadays readers hardly read the body copy and therefore advertiser may restrict the elements only headline and brand name. अब देखोगे भी आजकल किसी के पास टाइम नहीं होता है तो people they don't read full message. So what they do? So advertisement they don't spend so much time and money for this body copy. They just write headline and sub headline and just write few things and then they just stop. So third one, that is captions. Captions do form part of you can say copy text only. Captions are small sentences that seem to come out the mouth of people shown in ad. Comic strips type of copy makes use of caption. For example, suppose you have come across such caption in the print ads, you can say tortoise mosquito coil. ये सब टाइप वाली जो ad होती है, this is caption. Next one, that is slogan. Slogan is a small catchy phrase used in ad to sum up the advertising message. Ideally, slogan needs to brief preferably around 3 to 6 words. जैसे we can say that fly the friendly sky, that is airlines की ad होती है. Connecting people, that is Nokia. This is how it is. This is all slogan. Just do it. That is Nike. So this is all the slogan. Tagline. Now there is a little, there is one small and very thin line between slogan and tagline. That is a little bit confusion between over taglines. Must copywriter consider tagline as a slogan, but other consider them as a punchline. रहो उम्र भर, रहो उम्र लेस, ठंडा मतलब कोका कोला. आई एम जस्ट लविंग इट. दिस इज ऑल स्लोगन जो आपने जो है वो देखा रहेगा. अभी कैडबरी में तो कुछ मीठा हो जाए. सो दिस इज ऑल डिफरेंट टैगलाइंस. नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज लोगोस. लोगोस और सिग्नेचर कट्स आर स्पेशल डिजाइन फॉर द फर्म और द प्रोडक्ट. सिंपल एग्जाम्पल आई कैन से नाइकी का जो लोगो है दैट इज करेक्ट, राइट वाला है. BMW का लोगो है वो एक सर्कल के अंदर एक स्क्वायर, एक प्लस साइन है, एंड देन 2 parts आर ब्लू एंड 2 parts आर रेड, वाइट. 2 parts आर ब्लू एंड 2 parts आर white. And you can see it's very common, char bangdi jo we normally call, that 4 bangles, that is which brand? That is Audi. So this is all logo. Okay. Next one, that is company signature. Some firms use signature cuts, which are also referred to logos also. The signature cuts are specially designed of advertising company's name. See, you must have seen that कोका कोला का जो writing है, that is italics handwriting. अगर आप कंप्यूटर में जाके अगर उसके फॉर्म जो करते हो, फाइंड आउट करते हो, तो it is italic form. So company signature gives different corporate identity. So this is how it is. Next one is jingles. Jingles matlab it is a musical commercial in TV or radio ads. For example, you must have heard about it. लाइव बॉय का एक एड आता था, तंदुरुस्ती की रक्षा करता है लाइव बॉय है जहाँ तंदुरुस्ती है वहाँ. दिस इज ऑल जिंगल. एक गाना गा के जो है वो उसका एक एड बनाया है. सो दिस ऑल आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ कॉपी. Essential of copywriting: there is good writing and bad writing. Okay, in advertising there are two types of writing. One is good writing and one is bad writing. A good copywriter understands the communicate to a large audience at the same time, and such he makes efforts to appeal the most of his prospects. गुड हेड राइटिंग की वजह से उसका क्या काम है, लोगों को अच्छी तरह से कम्युनिकेट करके उनको अट्रैक्ट करना. अ गुड कॉपी राइटर्स, यू नो, वर्ड्स वर्क वंडर्स. there is a slogan, we can say that way, that words जो है वो wonders create करता है. To do, he makes his account following, you know, that there are different copywriting which are essential. So number one, that is concise. Copywriters write briefly yet effectively. Every word should carry its own weight in the ad. Study each sentence and every word from it very carefully. Consider its meaning and importance. Eliminate unnecessary words. I mean, what is the simple meaning of concise? It is cut to cut. It's not required too much. It doesn't require less. Minimum words, maximum words नहीं. Cut to cut जो है वो information होना चाहिए. And next one, that is clarity. Whatever written in the message, it should be understood by the readers. It should not be just only simple, but it should be clear. Words should understand by people, that what does it mean. Sometimes there are many ads, that ad makes us confused, that we don't understand कि ad में बोलना क्या चाहते हैं. But there are some ads which are very clear, less word, very simple but very clear. We understand the message, what is written inside, or what this ad is saying. Next one, that is simple. The copy should be written in simple language. Simple language is the only kind that most people understand. Even great novelists do not resent simple language. Every attempt must be made to make a copy easy to understand. Keep it simple and sweet. You know, because there are too much jargons and all, people they don't understand. So make all ad very easy, very simple, so every people can understand. Next one, that is specific. The more specific the message, the more attention getting and memorable it is. There is always a lack of space and time to list out all the features of the product. It's not possible, you know, that we cannot write each and everything about a product. So it should be very cut to cut, very specific. एक फीचर्स जो अच्छा बता दिया, एक जो चीज़ है कुछ अच्छी बता दी, ताकि ऑडियंस जो है वो उसको हम लोग अट्रैक्ट कर सके और ऑडियंस जो है वो चीज़ पे रिलाई रह सके. Next one, personal. One way that advertising differs from news writing is the use of pronouns. See, as far as possible, the copywriter must emphasize on the word you in the ad, because this product is for audience, not for themselves, you know. तो कोई भी पर्सनल का मतलब होता है कि यू को अगर मैं बोलती हूँ ये आपके लिए है, ये आपके लिए बनाया है, ये आपके ही सहूलियत के लिए, मीन्स व्हाट, you feel proud, you feel that yes, we are something. So you may be buying, there is one example I can say, that you may be buying this bulb without knowing it. Or do you see a door where others see a wall? This is all different things, but where what they do, that they just pick this you word, and they give such kind of service, that they give such kind of slogan or anything where you comes first. मतलब उसका मतलब क्या होता है, यू इज़ द प्रायोरिटी. सो जो भी चीज़ है यू के ऊपर ज़्यादा एम्फसाइज किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट वन दैट इज persuasive. The copywriter should make use of persuasive words. That is, persuasive words मतलब hurry up, don't delay, buy today, last day. This is all. However, such persuasive words do not work every time. कभी कभी ये workout नहीं होता है, but they use such type of अट्रैक्टिव वर्ड ताकि लोग जो है वो ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड ना करके वो प्रोडक्ट अभी खरीदे. Next one, that is believable. Make a copy believable. Use the words and examples that most people believe. Avoid bland sentence that people do not believe. कभी कभी ऐसे वाले words use करते हैं that people they don't believe. So don't use such kind of words or sentences. Use such kind of words that people can believe. Next one, interesting. The copy should be interesting right from the headline. Copy should be such arouse curiosity of readers to read entire advertising message. कोई message इतना interesting होता है, so we don't leave even a single word. We read from top to bottom. Why? Because that message is very interesting. So always advertiser must write, copywriter must write interesting words and sentences. Next one, that is surprise elements. One possible way to encourage readers to keep reading or listening to inject or surprise in the copy. The Kamala coming was the effective surprise sentences. That is for cigarette, but there are many other surprising messages also nowadays in many ads. Next one, follow the headlines. Copy should be based on the headlines and illustrations. All the elements in the ad should convey the same idea or message of the advertisement. जो headline में लिखा है and अंदर का message कुछ अलग है, तो what people will think, this is fake message. No, it shouldn't be like that. There should be connection between headlines and the message which is written inside. नेक्स्ट वन, टाइप्स ऑफ कॉपी. टाइप्स ऑफ कॉपी में हार्ड सेल कॉपी है, सॉफ्ट सेल्स कॉपी है. हार्ड सेल कॉपी, सिंपल मीनिंग ऑफ हार्ड सेल कॉपी इज, यू कैन से दैट व्हाई, व्हाट इज द रीजन. This is also known as reason why copy. It means in this type of copy, copywriter states the reason as to why the buyer need to buy such advertised product or service. मतलब कॉपीराइटर को एड ऐसे बनानी है ताकि लोगों को समझ में आए कि आप ये प्रोडक्ट क्यों खरीदना चाहते हो. लोगों को ही दिमाग में क्लियर हो दैट व्हाई दे वांट टू बाय दिस प्रोडक्ट. जैसे अगर मैं बोलूँ कि सेंट्रो कार फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हाई दे वांट टू बाय, बिकॉज गुड फॉर इंडियन रोड्स. देयर इज अ टैग लाइन दैट इज गुड फॉर इंडियन रोड. इंडियन रोड इतने अच्छे नहीं होते हैं, थोड़े वो है, इट्स नॉट दैट क्लियर एंड इट्स नॉट दैट यू मस्ट हैव नोटिस. रास्ते पे आप सब लोग चलते हो, तो वाई सेंट्रो का, because good for Indian roads. So there is a reason that why you have to buy Centro car only. Next one, that is soft sell copy. In this type, the copywriter may use subtle or ambiguous word. No reason for buying the product are stated. This type of copy is not advisable. However, some copywriters prefer such copy. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि इनको रीज़न ही मिले, जस्ट वो लोग वैसे वाले वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं ताकि लोग अट्रैक्ट होके ये प्रोडक्ट जो है वो खरीदे दिल से. मतलब नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज descriptive copy. It is all detailed information which gives features, uses, benefits, any services, extra services, other benefits, whatever. जो इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है वो डिटेल में प्रोडक्ट के बारे में इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी. नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज educational copy. This copy tries to educate the people on the use of the product. ये प्रोडक्ट कैसे खरीदना है, कैसे यूजफुल होगा, क्या, इन शॉर्ट सामने वाले को एजुकेशन देने का काम करता है. जैसे अगर मैं बोलूँ कि नॉइस पोल्यूशन से रिलेटेड कोई ऐड देगी, सेव वाटर से रिलेटेड कोई ऐड दे दिया, फैमिली प्लानिंग से रिलेटेड, दिस इज एजुकेशन. नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज टॉपिकल कॉपी, दिस टाइप ऑफ कॉपी इज बेस्ड ऑन करंट इवेंट्स, जो फिलहाल सोसाइटी में क्या चल रहा है. इट कुड बी रिलेटेड टू पॉलिटिक्स, इट कुड बी रिलेटेड टू स्पोर्ट्स, कल्चरल इवेंट्स, वॉट एवर. सो जो करंट सिचुएशन है वो हिसाब से चलता है. नेक्स्ट वन दैट इज नरेटिव कॉपी. नरेटिव सबको पता है, फाइनल एक पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव सिचुएशन, कुछ भी है जिस दिखाना, दैट इज नरेटिव फाइनल. That next one, that is questionnaire copy. In this type of copy, make use of questions to arouse the interest and curiosity in the mind of readers. Next one is reminding copy. There is some copy in form of reminders, that is last day, hurry up, buy today. This is all words which they use, sale type wale words.